Hey everyone, the Asus NUC 15 Pro is an exciting entry in the compact PC market, delivering a potent mix of high-performance computing and cutting-edge AI capabilities. With up to 99 TOPS of AI performance, this tiny powerhouse has been making waves. It is powered by Intel's latest Arrow Lake H and Raptor Lake HU processors, making it a formidable machine for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the NUC 15 Pro is built for speed and efficiency. The high-end configuration features an Intel Core Ultra 7 255H processor, capable of handling demanding workloads. Paired with up to 96 gigs of DDR5-6400 memory, it ensures smooth performance for content creation, intensive multitasking, and AI-driven applications. Storage options are equally impressive, with two M.2 slots, one to 280 and one to 242, that support up to 4 terabytes SSDs. This means ample room for high-speed storage, making the device ideal for handling large files and fast data retrieval. While the NUC 15 Pro does not come with a dedicated GPU, it does include Intel's integrated Arc 140T iGPU. This graphics solution is powerful enough for tasks like casual gaming, video editing, and AI-accelerated workloads. However, users looking to engage in serious 3D rendering or high-end gaming may need to look elsewhere, as integrated graphics still have limitations compared to discrete GPUs. Asus has not compromised when it comes to connectivity. NUC 15 Pro is loaded with ports, making it a versatile choice for a range of applications. It features 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 by 2, 2 HDMI 2.0 outputs, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB 2.0 port, audio jack, and 2.5G Ethernet port for high-speed wired networking. Wireless connectivity is also top-tier, with support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring seamless communication with peripherals and high-speed internet access. One of the most exciting aspects of the NUC 15 Pro is its AI capabilities. With theoretical AI performance reaching 99 TOPS, it surpasses the Snapdragon X Elite, which maxes out at 45 TOPS. This makes a NUC 15 Pro a potentially powerful tool for AI workloads, machine learning, and other AI-driven applications. However, real-world performance will depend on software optimization and how well applications can leverage the hardware's AI acceleration. The NUC 15 Pro comes in 2 variants, thin and tall. The choice between them is primarily based on user preference and desk space, as both versions deliver the same performance. The taller version may offer additional expansion options, but in terms of raw power and efficiency, they are identical. The biggest question remaining is the price. Asus has yet to reveal official pricing for the NUC 15 Pro, but given its impressive specifications and feature set, it is unlikely to be a budget-friendly option. However, for users seeking a compact yet highly capable machine, the NUC 15 Pro could prove to be a worthwhile investment. With its strong processing power, ample memory and storage, excellent connectivity, and AI-driven capabilities, this small PC is shaping up to be a compelling choice for professionals and enthusiasts looking for a space-saving yet powerful computing solution. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Have a nice day, and God bless you.